welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. We are going to have a hell of an adventure. I've almost figured out how to get my car in the driveway, which means we're going to put some parts back on it, which means new how-tos, better how-tos, more time-consuming how-tos, because I'm not going to be on a gravel driveway fighting between rainstorms. It's going to actually be able to take my time. Because I've already done it, it will be smoother, easier, more knowledgeable process. Some of my first how-tos were pretty mediocre. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you'll know that the bird poop has slowed down, which is great. This car was plastered every single day, front to back, all the side. There's a bit running down the door, but that's here nor there. Anyway, the car looks great. I was hoping to have done the 100,000 kilometer video by now, but as I'm sure you can imagine, I don't really drive anywhere anymore. Not really even due to COVID, just everything I need is within a half kilometer, so I can go out every single day and put 1 kilometer on the car. While you get to the end of the month, your odometer and gas gauge doesn't move that much, which is a good thing. But she's not really getting all of the work and love that she used to. But on the other hand, this is also the parking lot where I've been getting back into unicycling and kicking some butt at that, which has been pretty good. So far, about 500 feet, which is pretty rock solid. Been keeping the unicycle just in the car all the time, because the more convenient you make it, the more likely you are to do it. I'll be back later. There's my ice cream. Got to get home to that. So the more convenient you make it, the more you're going to do it. And I am making it as convenient as absolutely possible. So yeah, I don't know. Car's doing good. Tail's doing good. We just hit 8,680 or 86, 66 subscribers. We are just over 4 million views, which is super freaking exciting. These have been almost unforeseen milestones that I didn't know if we'd ever get to, but we are absolutely on the route, and everything is going real well. For those of you that shared and commented and watched the shenanigans from the May 24 weekend, I do thank you. I don't partake like that all the time, and I do try to limit my attendance at some of those parties so that I do make sure I survive to make more videos that aren't quite so exciting. So I guess that's it. Another amazing month with the car, and just tons more to come. You know what? To the garage. Welcome to the garage. We should end every video in the garage, because this is just my little slice of heaven. We're always adding new tools. We got a bandsaw now. Some of the most magnificent pieces of wood you've ever seen. Just the coolest stuff. We've got a new wood rack, which yes is full of 30 or 40 pretty spectacular pieces of hardwood. I'm building a TV stand for a client. It's 9 feet tall, so I did it in pieces. So this will go together, shiplap, like a 60-inch TV or so. These pieces here fill in this, and then this is going to be a fireplace. So all together, you'll have a 9-foot tall wall of shiplap. The wall actually comes up 5 inches. This is 5 1/8. And then I've left this narrower on both sides so that I can kind of play and get it in. It's a unique configuration where the bathroom wall only comes up so far. So on this side here, it continues the shiplap all the way to the back to cover. But it's been a fun, neat project to get working on. Miter saw stand, still rock solid. My favorite new tool though is by far this. I don't know if you've used the new cordless routers are just, it's just on another level. I'm quite happy about it. So I don't know, everything's going pretty cool. I got some pretty cool projects coming up too that I'm pretty excited to share. So I guess that's it for this month. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.